This old guy DIY video has to do with the importance of checking the gear case lube when you get a used piece of equipment. So I bought this machine at an auction. I don't know the history, I don't know how old it is. So anytime I do that, I pull the cover off the gear case, take a look and see what I'm dealing with. This stuff still has some lubricity, but obviously it does not look like new 80W90 gear lube. So I'll pump that out of there and refill it with some good stuff. For applications like this, I use one of these siphons that's designed for kerosene, but it does a pretty good job. So I used the siphon to take out as much as I could. I ended up with what looks like a bucket of muddy water. Then for the remaining stuff, I just took some paper towels, stuck it down in there and let it absorb. Now we'll put some new 80/90 gear lube in there. When I'm filling it, I can see the location of the plug over there, which is the check hole for the level. I'll fill it to the bottom of that hole, then I'm ready to put some gasket sealer here on the top and put the top back on. I have it filled with fresh fluid. Now we'll put the top on. I use this blue RTV gasket maker to make my gasket. When tightening this, I alternated bolts, kind of like you would putting the lug nuts on a car. Now I'll just wipe off that gasket maker that's squeezed out, let it dry for a while, we'll be good to go. Based on the evidence of water intrusion in that gearbox, I believe the water would get in when this sat outside in the rain. This is kind of a low spot, so the water would just work its way down along the threads here on the vent. So I'm going to take some plumber's tape and I'm just going to put a couple wraps of this around the threads, reinstall it, and that should protect it from water in the future.